I met a contractor yesterday who took me out to eat, put some gas in my truck, paid me to do a small job. It was like 3 to 4 hours, and we sat down and had a unique conversation to me. And he said this to me. He said, "Joe, I know at least a dozen good welders in the valley. They can weld anything." He said, "But I don't know a welder, a fabricator, and an installer all in one person. That I haven't found. You are valuable. I don't know if you know it or not." And I was like, "Yeah." I said, "Man, appreciate it." He was like, "Nah, what you do is going to get you places. Just don't give up." He was like, "I got a lot of stuff going on over here. I'm about to build a new property. I would like to have your help to do gates and just do different type of fabrication for me. I like what you do. I like how you think." And you know what? It took consistency, hard work for me to get to this point. Now, I'm not at the level that I want to be at by no means. But I know one thing. My work ethics are paying off. And the light that God has put in me is shining. Others are seeing it. Others are seeing my work ethics. So I know at the moment I might be in a tight spot, but it's only temporary. Remember that. If you keep hustling, if you keep working, and you keep improving your skills, your ability, there is no limitation. The last time I checked, I think they'd have made it to Mars.